Ka Dr. Mehtab Chandi A. Sangma ke kertong jong keseng NPP ke beriru ke kurim jong Menteri Rang Ba ke Jelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma ke job iki election steng samoy na Gambegre constituency da ke Batam da 1,000 sanspa kendai pesau vote. Ka Dr. Chandi ke layo khatar hajar nerus pa nyo pokra vote ke kertong ke AITC ke Sadiharini M Sangma ke layo prahajar propsau vote. Ukertong ke Kongres Ujingjang M Marak Royo Nyo Hajar Nreu Spak Kendai Pesan Vote. Ukertong ke BJP Ubernat Marak Royo Nyo Spak Shpo Vote. Kat baki kertong Thamseng berkentuk Ujeri E Sangmau Royo Nyo Spak Nreu Vote. Bat Useng Kerabat N Marak Royo Shispa Sopunyo Vote. Kat bau nota Royo Kendai Pesan Vote. Kejingpoi kinong tak vote akan election kalong berok lai pulai hajar prapu prangut. Kabakot kendai po point kendai lai nak shispa. Bakajing penlong yang akan election kedai namar bu MLA berem ke Gambegre usaleng esang mau de eno yang kam MLA adin mula syajit no komu MP syakelok sabha na ketura parliamentary constituency.
Well, I think the message is clear, loud and clear, that people have voted for change today. People have voted for development, and this is what we as a party, the leadership encourages, and this is what we have been promoting, and I think the message is clear. So I'm happy that people have come to our party today, and we have seen that previously we could never win this seat, but the people of Gambegre have voted for change. And I think the whole Garo Hills and Meghalaya is experiencing that right now with NPP at the government, and we will do more and do our best to ensure that we always give the best to the people.
Of course, we are very happy as a party and would like to thank the people of Gambegre for their support in this by-election. It is very, very heartening to see that people have voted for development, and we want to assure the people of Gambegre that we will do everything in our capacity to make sure that we are able to fulfill our promises and deliver. There are many challenges, but we will do our best to serve the people of Gambegre. I also would like to take this opportunity to thank all the leaders, party workers, MLAs and DCs who have worked very hard to support the candidature of Dr. Mehtab Chandi A. Sangma in this past by-election. Thank you.